the 2019 elections, Rahul, were also seen about leadership. Leadership was foregrounded, especially after Pulwama and Balakot. And look at leadership now. Give us, if you look at Prime Minister Modi's performance, which is an important barometer in any such poll, people have been asked the question, how do you rate Prime Minister Modi's performance? And I think that comes to the point that many of our analysts are making, and Raj made. Outstanding 30%, good 44%. So add the two, 74% are saying outstanding and good, average 17, poor 6. The sense I get from here, this is that despite all these challenges, the PM's leadership is still being trusted. So Moditva, if I may use the word, still seems alive and well and kicking. And I think that perhaps explains the difference, Rahul, between when you look at central elections and state elections. This is the mood of the nation. And the nation is showing that the Prime Minister's performance is rated very highly, Raj, which is why you've got Prime Minister Modi, I think, on the cover of the magazine.
Absolutely. And I think we shouldn't discount his leadership by saying that the opposition didn't provide enough, ammunition to knock him down. The fact is that right through this entire crisis, both whether the health crisis, the economic crisis, and now the Chinese crisis, as well as the farmers' crisis, he showed, this is an uncertain world. The pandemic brought that. He assured the people, and if you talk to management experts, they talk of this principle of bringing certainty to uncertainty. He has this ability of, saying, I have answers to the problem.
Is it about astute communication? Because according to the Congress, the governance record is questionable, but it's much more about your communication skills.
Both. Take a look at the lockdown. World leaders would have hesitated to do the kind of drastic lockdown that Mr. Modi does. He works on information that says that unless we are able to build a health capability, the pandemic will get out of hand and it would overwhelm us. So he takes this bold decision. Many criticize for what it is, but he's leading from the front. Then comes communication. What does he do? Again, if you talk to management experts, communication is a skill where you touch at the core emotion of a person. And therefore, when many people mocked at the Thali banging stuff. But what it did was, if I banged the Thali also, it touched a core. You're addressing fear.
But this is very unfair, Rajdeep, to say that it's only communication.
No, I'm asking whether it is, what explains the Prime Minister's consistent high rating? Is it the strongman muscular leadership that he provides? Is it his communication skills?
Both. You see, leadership is a combination. It is never one single aspect. And leadership is, in times, especially in these times, where there are no known solutions, nobody knows how to handle the pandemic. He goes ahead and makes a decision, right? Then the other aspect of leadership is flexibility. When he finds there's economic distress, he says, all right, the Jan versus Jahan, this thing, let us bring back economy. So he's fine-tuning, and people are watching that. They know that there are no answers. Trump doesn't have an answer. Europe doesn't have an answer. You have to feel your way through. And then he communicates. Take a look at the way he says, after this, do gas duri. He's talking to the people. He says, wear your mask.
Can I make the